Hi, my name is Melissa Penny and I'm a final year hospitality student at Sheffield Hallam University. I completed my work placement at St Andrew's Country Club, Boca Raton, Florida. I worked in a platinum club environment with high-profile members in which I excelled in providing a 5-star service and not only fulfilled the members' needs but predicted and went over and beyond their expectations. I went to Florida just as a server. I came away as a front server in a fine dining restaurant, a trainee pastry chef, a host, a front desk attendant. I managed to shadow the CFO and controller on numerous occasions, and I also helped out in golf. The only one out of 20 interns who pushed to make my work placement a rotational one in order to get the most out of my experience in Florida. I received numerous emails on the quality of my service, one being from the ex-president of the club. Personally invited as a reward for my success in the club to the Hospitality Financial Technology Professionals Conference by the CFO and controller. As well as this, I was awarded a $100 gift voucher for my ambition to learn. In order to minimise costs in the restaurant, I devised a way in off-peak times that we would halve the staff and half the cost of the restaurant. The club now uses this in its off-peak times in summer. On holiday at a hotel, I spotted a designer aluminium tray jack. I emailed a photo of this to the assistant GM, and it is now being used as a tray jack in the fine dining restaurant after the $15 million renovations. So, why should I win Young Guns 2014? I should win Young Guns as I am an extremely driven young woman who will push barriers to excel and drive any company to success. Thank you for watching my video.